The overall goal of this procedure is to accurately measure the water quality of agricultural watersheds in situ in a chosen time interval with high temporal resolution.
This method can help answer key questions in the water resources field about spatial and temporal variations in pollutant loads, their drivers, and hydrologic and water quality processes.
The main advantage of this protocol is that users can obtain high temporal resolution data on nutrients and sediments to study complex environmental problems.
Accurate and timely water quality information is a prerequisite to making informed water management decisions because non-point source pollution is affected by watershed characteristics and rainfall timing and intensity.
Though this method can provide insights into agricultural watersheds, it can also be applied to other types and sizes of watersheds such as urban, forested, and mine-impacted watersheds.
First, thoroughly clean the sonde sensor surfaces with soft brushes, pads, and soap or all-purpose cleaning solution. Rinse the sensors with deionized water. Remove and clean the turbidity sensor wiper and sensor cleaning brush. Then unscrew the cap from the PTFE reference junction of the pH sensor. Discard the electrolyte solution. Add a potassium chloride salt pellet to the sensor and fill the sensor with fresh electrolyte solution. Screw the cap of the reference junction to form an airtight seal and rinse away the displaced electrolyte solution.